Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, one by Wacom. I have Wacom One S, and now I'm gonna show you how to use this tablet. So, firstly, of course, you need to download the drivers from the official website of the Wacom. We have the video on our website, on our YouTube channel and on our website, of course, how to do it, how to install the drivers, the latest drivers for this device, and how to use it. Okay, so then after installing the driver, you will have the Wacom tablet properties and Wacom Center. So you need to use Wacom Center. And here in Wacom Center, we have Wacom settings. So here we have pen settings. We can set up pressure sensitivity. We can customize it. We can customize everything here in sensitivity. Oh, so sorry. We need to use normal mouse to do it. So as you can see, here we have pen pressure. Here we have output, and we need to set it up in the way we need, in the way we want. So let's set it up. Okay. As you can see, I can draw light right now, and so now output is too much. I need to take it little. Okay, but maybe not too much. Maybe in this way. So in this way, you need to set up sensitivity. So I think this is the best sensitivity for me. In this way, I can use all levels of the Wacom tablet. We have 2000 levels of pressure sensitivity on this device, and I have these great sensitivity settings to use for me, for example, but you need to set it up for you. Okay, then you can set up mapping. For example, you can use mouse mode, and your pen will be like a mouse, normal mouse. You can use it in pen mode, so when the corners of the tablet's workspace will be corners of your screen, of your display. So here is your normal display, and if you want to, I don't know, to open, for example, this folder, I'll show you this folder, BIOS Flasher, for example. You need to, I'll show you, you will need to set your pen on this corner, and because in this corner of the screen I have this folder, so it's like a display mirror. Okay, great. And here we have screen area. We can set it up if you have several displays, for example, or you can set up portion of the display, for example, or you can set up all displays. So now I can switch between all my displays. I have 2 displays, and great. But now I'll show you really great feature of this tablet. So we can set this tablet up for other application in different way. So for example, pen settings, we can create pen settings only for example, for system settings. Okay, so in system settings, for example, up button on my pencil, on my stylus will be maybe normal click. Okay, but this button, second button, will be will be back. Okay, so it will be back, it will be click. And now when I will open settings, as you can see, this button is like a click, but this button is like a go back. Okay, so you can set it up for other applications in different way. For example, in Adobe, you can use only this part of your tablets. You can use only one display. You can use mouse mode, but not the pen mode. So you can set up in different ways. And here we have the shortcuts. So our tablet has no shortcuts, has no physical keys, and we need to set up virtual shortcuts. Here we have radial and grid panels. So for example, here we have express menu, and we can set it up too. So to set it up, we need to click on OK. Wait for it. To set it up, we need to click on it, on settings for example, and we can change it. So for example, we can change it in this way. Click on settings, click on what you want to change, and just change in the way you want. For example, you can enable express menu here, or I don't know, or precision mode, for example. Okay, and now here we will have precision mode. Then you need to enable this ring. To do it, click launch, and you will have it here on your screen, and you can move it, for example, on the other display. If you have several displays, you can move it on the corner of your screen, and you can pin it, and now this will be on the top of your screen always, even if you are using another application right now. So it's really handy, but you need to set it up for your needs. Okay, and great. Display toggle settings, we need to set up too. So we can set up everything here in the way we want, and just use. So here we have no batteries on the pencil, on the stylus. We don't need to charge it, we don't need to charge the Wacom tablet, we just need to connect it to the computer and just use. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.